open. Who gets it will be decided by you at home in a live wildcard instant save vote. You'll be voting at NBC.com or on the AGT app, so get ready. First, I'm going to ask each of the judges to put forward an act which hasn't made it through to the finals. Then you will vote for your favorite, and whichever act wins that vote will be here in the finals next week. Let's do it. Simon, who are you putting forward as your wild card act?
I could have put forward a lot, and then I decided it has to be someone who made the top three. And one obvious act came to my mind, and this act were heartbroken after they didn't make it through. And I said to them, it's not over yet. And I'm delighted to tell you, my pick is Chioma and the Atlanta Drum Company.
Yeah, my golden buzzer. Yes. Okay, thank you. Sophia, what is your wild card act?
Well, I think it goes without saying that I am going to pick someone from this week. This week has been very, very crazy. And of course, I'm going to go for my amazing golden buzzer, Gabriel Enrique from Brazil.
Enrique, your golden buzzer. Now, Heidi, who did you pick as your wild card?
Well, I'm going to choose someone who I was very sad to see go. Someone that loves fashion as much as I do, but can sew himself. He's an aerialist while he swallows some sports. And his name is Erwan Legaillard. I hope I say it right.
Erwan Legaillard, yes. Now, Howie, who is your wild card act?
I don't know. No, it's gonna be, you know what? It's gotta be somebody that moves me and somebody that I believe is original and something like I never saw, and I did see it. It also, like Sophia, somebody who was on the stage this week. And I'm bowled over. I can't stop thinking about it. They're here in the building, and I gotta see more of them. Look at them wait. It's so hard. One big choice. Ladies and gentlemen, my choice to go to the finals. You gotta vote it through. Avant-garde!
Avant-garde! So, it's between Chioma and the Atlanta Drum Academy. Erwan Legaillard, Avant-garde, and Gabriel Enrique. America, you can save one of them. Vote using the AGT app or vote at NBC.com/AGT save. You've got 5 minutes to get your vote in, and voting starts now. We'll get the result later in the show.